nouns, mass nouns, uh,
So you're going to learn about nouns. Okay, so let me open
different
it.
kinds of nouns.
Different kinds of nouns. Oh, I see. All right. So let me open this one. Maybe I could find something about nouns. All right.
Common nouns. I think it's in grade 5. Oh my.
Anyway, so yeah, I can search it for you. Okay. So
No,
by the
it's
way,
common nouns.
yeah. I know, I know, I know. All right.
Common
So
nouns, proper nouns,
okay,
mass
do you know?
nouns.
Okay, before we proceed, do you know about common nouns first?
Yes.
So common nouns are what are common nouns
It's like
again?
it's like the a nickname or something.
Okay, so general, a name
General, yeah.
of something. All right.
For
Mm.
example, student, sky.
Yeah, school, university. All right. So and then country. All right, countries. All right.
Japan.
What else? Yeah, and then if you're gonna talk about what's the other one? Proper nouns. So what do you mean by proper nouns?
Proper noun is the specific name.
Yeah, specific name of, all right. Yeah. Specific name of something, animals, person, okay, and those things, right? Okay, can you give me an example of a proper noun of okay, if we talk about person or people, all right, can you give me an example of a proper noun? Yeah, since proper noun is a specific name of something, people, of, right, of a person, what else, as name of a thing, and then places, animals. All right, can you give me an example of a proper noun? Yeah, specific. And
Proper
it's
noun
usually starts with what?
it's
It's
proper
usually
noun
starts with the
starts
capital
with
letters.
a capital letter. May I drink water,
What are you?
please?
All right, like sky. Sky is an example of a proper noun. All right, it's a specific name of a boy. You,
May
sky. All
I
right,
drink
you.
water?
Okay. Kinds of nouns for
Yeah,
grade
that
class
one, that
5.
one.
Oh, yeah. Wait. Yeah, here, this one. All right, so let's just use this
What's
one.
we're just learning about the common nouns, proper nouns, collective nouns. Go down.
Uh,
Countable and countable nouns, and that's it.
all right, we can also you learn some of them. Okay, if we still have time left later. Okay, so you may now drink some water and let's start. Okay, so since a while, okay, let's have number one. Okay, so these are kinds of nouns. So there are many kinds of nouns. All right, sky. All right. So let's have now. Please read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, but later we're gonna focus on the four kinds of nouns. All right. So can you read number 1, 2, 3 first?
Number one, common noun. Number two, proper noun. Number three, abstract noun. Number four, concrete noun. Number five, collective nouns. Number six, compound nouns. Number seven, countable and uncountable nouns. Number eight, possessive nouns.
All right. So let's have first number 1. Okay, common nouns. Okay, so can you read common nouns first? What is a
Common nouns refer to general names for people, places, things, or ideas. They are not capitalized unless they begin in a sentence. Example include city, teacher, and book.
All right. So as what I've said a while ago, right? So these are general names for people, places, things, ideas, or even animals. And what else? Yeah, all right. People, places, things, animals, or ideas. So these are city, teacher, and book. All right. All right. I want you to think of a common noun um of a place. All right. Yeah, say for example, city. Yeah, city, there's city. Okay, so city. What else? Province. All right. Province is a common noun. All right. Cebu province. But when I say Cebu province, um, Kai, so it would be what?
Like
Cebu.
Cebu, oh, that would be a proper noun.
All right. Okay. Now another common noun of places. Try to think.
Uh,
Province, city, country, yeah, country. Okay, yeah, country.
person,
Again,
person,
person, you want person? Okay, yeah. Okay. Teacher, doctor, what else?
classmates,
Huh? Again, come again?
classmates.
Classmates. Okay, yeah. What else? Think of another examples as many as you can. As
Um,
many as you can.
is sword.
Sword. Okay, sakura. Sakura, not sakurai. So what's that? Samurai.
And
Samurai.
and it's a fencing sword.
Yeah, fencing sword. Yeah, sword. Okay. Yeah, so uh yeah, samurai is the specific or proper noun of a sword, right?
What else? I have more.
All right, next is, oh, what are you doing? What's
Toy.
that? Blade. Babe, what's that?
Baby.
Yeah, blade, I mean. All right. Next is another. It's a toy. It's a toy. That's the common noun of a toy. Okay? Yeah. Babe blade is the proper
Beyblade.
noun. Okay? Yeah.
Blade.
All right, next. What else? General name of a person. Doctor, teacher, students,
Card.
classmates. What else?
Cards.
What's cards? Pokemon cards. But when you say Pokemon cards, so that would become what? Still common or proper?
What?
If when I say what kind of card is it? So it's a Pokemon card, right? So it would be what? Common noun or proper noun?
Proper noun because you said Pokemon card.
Pokemon cards. All right. Next, how about uh all right. Yeah. Anyway, so those are examples, right? So animals, dogs,
Beep.
cats. Uh-uh. All right. So those are common nouns. But when you say Chihuahua or bulldog, so that would become proper nouns, okay, of a dog. All right. What else? How about bag? All right. Bag. What's the
Toilet
what?
bag.
Hmm?
Toilet bag.
What?
I said toilet bag.
What's toilet bag? All right. What's the brand of your bag? Sky. You have to think of yeah, we're talking about now a proper
Sky bag.
Sky. Um,
Sky bag.
is there such a brand name Sky? Is there such thing? I only know about sports, right? Sports
Paw
bag.
Patrol bag.
Hmm?
Paw Patrol bag.
Paw Patrol bag. Is it now a brand of a bag? Maybe. All right. What
Yes.
else? Cell
And
phone or
Apple
smartphone.
mouse. Mouse. Apple mouse.
Yeah, apple mouse. All right. So do you now get do you now understand the
Yes.
meaning of a
Well,
common noun?
we have something like a Filipino. It's called wait, hold on. It's called, I think you learned this.
Let me think.
Like,
Okay.
it's like,
Pantangi. I think you've learned
ah,
that. Pambalana at
panta-
saka pantangi.
oh, yeah, yeah, that one. Yeah, this one. This is our lesson.
That's na pangalan and so noun. So it would be pangalan in Tagalog. All right. Then there are two kinds of pangalan.
Pantangi, pambalana, there is
Common noun.
panlalaki, pambabae,
Mm-mm.
ditiyak, walang kasarian.
Mm-mm.
Isahan, dalawahan, maramihan.
Yeah, that's what's that? Mm, belongs to
I think it's collective nouns.
yeah, collective. Yeah, right. Okay.
And
Yeah.
the pantangi and pambalana is common and proper nouns. And
Yes.
the what else? Let me think.
Yeah, pangalan. All right. So I think do you find it difficult to learn Tagalog?
Yes.
But I think you can do it, right? All you have to do is to familiarize the term.
I just need to learn how to speak Tagalog and know how to learn Tagalog.
Oh my gulay. Really? I think you can.
I'm gonna have a quiz on day 3. So
About
that's
the Patangi at saka Pambalana?
yeah.
Oh, I see. All right. Anyway, let's proceed now. Okay. So we may what's that? We may translate this one as we go on with our discussion. So common noun that would be pambalana. All right. Okay. Pangalang pambalana.
Pantangi,
All right. The proper noun is
malaki.
pantangi. Okay, so I think you can get the Pambalana at saka Pantangi, right? Because proper noun is the specific name. So London, Sky, what else? South Korea, Filipinas,
Wait,
Philippines. Yes,
Pantangi is what's Pantangi?
proper noun.
Proper
Yeah,
Pambalana.
Pambalana is common.
Okay, let me remember that.
Okay,
Pantangi, proper
let's
noun, Pambalana. Let's have a activity about.
all
Wait,
right.
I have an idea. You make a sentence
In
and
Tagalog,
yeah,
English.
about Tagalog, about pangalan. There's gonna the pangalan, the uri, the kasarian, and then the numbers.
The numbers. Oh, I see. All right. Okay, so when I say what am I gonna do again? Sky. So I will what? Make an
Okay?
example sentence?
Yeah. And then I'll find the pangalan, or the uri, at the wait, I need to think. Uri, uri.
Okay, you know what? You make me a robot now. Okay, let me think. I'll do it now.
I'm so sorry. I'm
Okay,
so
so
sorry.
si Jose Rizal ay isang
Tomorrow.
bayani. Hey, si Jose Rizal ay isang bayani.
You type it. I'll encircle it. You type it and I'll encircle.
Si Jose Rizal. Oh my God, why did I say just that would be Dr. Jose Rizal. What is that? Okay, ay isang bayani.
So the pangalan is
All right.
the pangalan is
Okay. Si Dr. Jose Rizal ay isang bayani.
that's
Okay,
the
that is
pangalan.
okay, is it Pambalana or Pantange?
This is pantangi.
Yeah, all right. Proper noun. Okay, yeah. All right. Then ano po yung bayani? Ano po ba yung bayani in English?
The hero.
Oh yeah. So, Bayani is what?
Like it's wait,
Is
wait.
it pambalana?
Wait. It's DTiak cause it can be a girl, either a boy.
All right, but it still belongs to?
Wait, but it Dr. Jose Rizal is a boy, so it's
Mm-mm.
panlalaki.
Mm-mm-mm. All right, and then?
The number
Bayani. Okay, how about bayani?
is isahan.
Okay, so Dr. Rizal, okay, so may kasarian, all right? So because he is a man, all right? So bayani, how about bayani? So it's a hero. Is it common noun or proper? Is it pambalana or pantangi?
So, which one? Jose Rizal?
No, bayani.
It's
Is it pambalana?
Pambalana.
All right,
Pambal-
that's pambalana, and then it's also but here since we're talking about Dr. Jose Rizal, so it's siya ay bayani. So here we knew that it's the bayani that we're talking is Dr. Jose Rizal. So panglalaki, all right, yung pangalan niya, all right?
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, all right. And then what else? Okay, you try to remember the things that you've learned.
Ang mga tao ay
Ang mga tao ay
nag
nagkagulo.
no, nag wait, I'm trying to think. Ang nagtutulog
Na ay natutulog
sa bahay.
sa bahay. Alright. Okay. So ang mga
The
tao,
pangalan is tao.
ah,
Tao is a pambalana. And wait, the kasarian, it can either be a boy or a girl. It's probably DT.
okay. So may kasarian pero di tiyak, all right? What kind of person are they? Could be boy or a girl, could be man or a
Well,
woman, all right? So how about
and
bahay?
bahay, that's wait, house. What kind of house?
So
Then
pambalana or pantangit?
pambalana.
All right, pambalana. What's the other one? What was the other one again you talked about a while ago, Sky? So it was pamilang, right? Okay, let me search for you.
Pangilan, you mean the
Yeah, you
number
have to count, right? Okay.
isahan, dalawahan.
For a
Before,
while.
I didn't know that, and then I just realized it's just from
So,
English. Wait,
yeah.
no. Me and my mama watch a video. Now I know.
All right. So, from the word
I
itself,
called it Malimihan. No, I called it Tatlohan.
okay. So, from the word itself, pamilang, so you are counting in English, all right? Pamilang na pangalan, all right? So, I'm gonna give you
Dalawahan,
uh
Tatlohan. I mean,
So, yeah,
Malimihan.
it's not just that, okay? You can just also here is the example, a sentence. Sky,
Kumukuha
okay,
ka ng
kumuha.
tatlong walis sa likod ng bahay.
Nasaan yung pamilang dito?
Ang pangalan ay walis.
Yeah, nasaan ba yung pamilang dyan?
The number?
Hmm.
Wait lang. Let me just get my mouse.
Yeah. Okay, together with the noun, all right? So tatlong together with the noun too.
Oh.
All right. Okay,
Yay.
next. How about this one? All right. So this is another example.
Ow.
Okay, here.
Can you make it a little up?
Can you? All right. Okay, I'm gonna.
Nalagay ka ng aming napigan sa lamesa.
Mm-mm.
Ah,
Mm-mm.
I don't know how to do this, but sa lamesa.
Did you also talk about there's also what we call di pamilang na pangalan, meaning you cannot count it. So that would be uncountable in English.
We did it.
All right.
Yet.
Yeah.
Yet. That's yet.
No, not included the lamesa, all right? So maglagay ka ng 6 na pinggan only. Lamesa is, what is lamesa in English? What is lamesa in English? That
Table.
is table. All right.
Did
Okay,
you
what
learn?
else? So just try to.
I'll make my own. I'll make my own.
Okay, can we type it on the screen?
Si Sky at si Chloe
Okay.
ay aral
nag-aaral?
nag-aaral sa bahay.
Nag-aaral sa
So,
you can also use paaralan. All right? I think you forgot the word paaralan. Kaya bahay lang sinabi mo. All right? Paaralan. All right? So that is okay. So what is paaralan here? Is it
school.
Pantangi or Palana?
A school.
So what's
So,
that?
paaralan is
What's that?
school. It's Pambalana because there's no
Yeah.
name. And it's not capitalized letter.
All right. Si Chloe at si Sky ay nag-aaral.
Si Chloe at Sky ay nag-aaral sa paaralan.
Okay, but when I say Ateneo, Ateneo, whatever. Ateneo.
Paaralan o Ateneo School.
Alright.
That's okay.
Paaralan ng Ateneo.
Then Ateneo,
Okay.
it's Ateneo is gonna be
Paaralang Ateneo. Paaralang.
Pantangi.
Okay, so that would be Pantangi. All right. Hi, Chloe. It's there. All right, so this one is what is this?
That is, which one? Is it the paaralan or Ateneo?
That one. It should be Paaralang Ateneo. All right. So
then
that
it's
too.
Pantangi.
All right. Okay. So yeah, that's right. But when I say just paaralan, so ayan ay pambala na. All right. Okay. What else would you like to review, Sky? Okay, Sky. Let's move to our English topics.
Yay.
All right. We can still do this. All right. So we're done with the common nouns and proper nouns. Okay. So let's proceed
Go
to.
to the
You know.
countable. I want
Ah.
countable and uncountable nouns.
All
Those are
right,
my
so now let's have countable and uncountable. All right, so I'm gonna explain this one to you thoroughly. All right, so you have to what I mean is you have to um focus. Okay, stay focused. Okay, so when you say countable, is these are the things that you can count. All right, you can count.
For example,
For example, apples, banana,
one pencil.
pen-
Pencils.
papers.
It's how many. The countable is how many pencils.
It answers the question how many. All
And
right.
uncountable is
And it
answers how
answers
much.
it answers the question how much. So
How
here, okay, can you give me an example of uncountable nouns since you've learned this one at school?
Smoke.
Yeah, all right.
What else?
All right, how about okay, sugar.
Bread.
Yeah, bread. All right. So yeah, just bread. Soda, right. So those are uncountable nouns. All right, so how can we change it so we can
Which one?
count, all right?
Uncountable?
No, oh yeah, the uncountable nouns, okay? So we
You
need
need to be. You need to be more specific.
specific. All right,
Yeah,
you need to
that's
be
the word I'm
specific.
looking for.
Okay, so
Specific. For
all right.
example, water. Don't
Mm-mm.
just say, "Can I have waters?" No, no, no.
Oh yeah.
Have to say, Can I have a cup of water or a glass
Yeah,
of
a glass of water. All right. So, uh, okay. So here, what's that? We call that one quantifiers. Okay, if you wanna be okay, if you
We
wanna
learned
be very specific. All right. So you need quantifiers in order for you to identify
also
how much water would you like
don't
to
just
drink.
don't just say waters or don't say water. Because if you say can I have water, they'll just give can I have one water, they'll just give you the whole sea.
The whole sea. All right.
Kasi
So
just one
you need quantifiers glass of. All right. Okay.
glass
Of what?
of glass. I
Of
thought you said glass of
a
glass of
glass of water, juice, and
soda.
as long as it's liquid. All right.
How
What else?
about
How about
how about
bread?
meat? Meat.
How about
Because if you
a
say,
kilo? 1 kilo of. Okay.
oh, can I have 1 kilo of meat?
Pork. A kilo.
Pork.
1 kilo of pork. 5 kilos of pork.
What if you say, can I have one meat?
What one means? I don't get it. So you have to be specific. That's why you need to use quantifiers. 1 kilo of a
Meat.
pork, chicken. Oh yeah, it depends what
Chicken.
kind of meat do you
I
want.
love chicken.
Mm.
Fried chicken is so
Oh
yummy.
yeah. All right. What else? How about bread? If you just want if you want the what do you call that one? Okay, I will not say the name of this, all right? Okay, a while ago you actually
What is
say
that?
it.
Are you making a face?
No, it's a it's a bread. Okay, so you want to
I think I
yeah,
can help you. Don't worry.
you want to you want to buy a blank of bread. So what are you gonna say to
I think I'll
the
help you. I think I help
the
you.
to the
Uh-huh.
what do you call that one?
Uh-huh. I'll help you. Don't worry. This is my
What?
bread. This is my bread. I'll help you after
A blank
drawing.
of blank, a
It's a
blank of what?
piece of bread.
A blank of bread. So what are you gonna say? What kind of
Can I
quantifier?
have
Can I
can I
have?
have a loaf of bread,
All
please?
right. Okay. What else? If you want just a little bread, all right? So okay, I will just tell you because I find it difficult to say. So can I
What?
have one slice of bread? Okay. So
What?
slice.
Just
All
tell me.
right.
Just tell me. I want to hear it. One.
I
What
don't
is
get the I don't get the word. Okay, I can't even think about it. That's why.
Just say it.
Another way,
I believe
okay.
you. I believe you. I believe you. Just say it.
All right.
Just
I need slice. All right. So instead of a loaf of bread, I cannot eat the whole loaf of bread. So can
I
you just
can.
give
I can.
slice or 2 slices of bread? Okay. What
How can
else? Huh?
okay. Can I have one can I have uh, uh, can
Uh,
I have can I have
can I have
can I have one glass of smoke?
smoke?
Yes,
Uh,
smoke. You can't count smoke. You can't
glass of
count
smoke. Okay. So anyway, so next is what else? A scoop of sugar or a tablespoon of
can I have a cup of rice?
rice. 1 cup of rice. All right. A cup of rice. All right. So those are quantifiers. So you have to be specific with using the uncountable nouns. All right. Mm.
Alright.
Okay, so Sky, I don't have much time. We don't have much time anymore. It's already 7 and our time is so fast.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now. See you again.
Goes fast.
All right. Okay. See you next time. Bye-bye. So good luck with your test with the Pantangi and the Pambalana. All right?
Please
Yeah.
remember,
Oh,
I have to
yeah. Okay. So bye for now.
Bye.
Okay.